Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to stream Disney Plus on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Disney and open that server where you want to stream, and then click on voice channel and now click on screen, and you can select the entire screen or you can select window. So I'm going to select my Google Chrome tab, and here is my Disney tab. Then click on share, and here we can see my Disney is started to stream now. So this was how we can stream Disney Plus on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.